Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 20. This is Section 3.4, Problem 20. It says the number of active Facebook users is 2.23 billion. And write this number in standard form. The way it's written now, it's half in numbers, half in words. So write it just as a number, in other words. So 2.23 billion, you would start off with 2.23 times a billion. And a billion is a 1 with 9 zeros after it. Like that. That's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So to do this multiplication, really what you do is you take the decimal where it's initially written and move it as many places to the right as you have zeros. So 9 zeros, you move it 9 places. So the first 2 places will go to the right of the 3. That uses 2 out of 9, so there'd be those 2 and then 7 more for a total of 9. So you do 2, 2, 3, and then 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So starting from here, that'd move it 9 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if you want to do a nice job, you can put in some commas too. Every 3 digits you put in a comma. That's optional. You don't have to do it. If I go in 3, I'll put a comma there. 3 more, I'll put a comma. 3 more, I'll put a comma. So you could read it as a regular number, 2,230,000,000.